So I guess when I woke up and my signing check first hit, I guess. It was pretty surreal when wake up and see $1 million in your bank account. And the day before it was like $6 or negative. Some crazy shit. And the next day is $1 million. So
What's the first thing you bought once that check hit?
a G-Wagon. Instantly, I went to Mercedes. Like I need a Benz. And I was thinking, same day. It's like, oh, I need a Benz, and I paid cash. Give me that.
What'd you think in your head when you whipped the Benz off the lot?
I sat on that bitch, took a picture of 30,000. I was 18. So yeah, I was definitely flexing. Then went and got a penthouse. So I was fucking shitting on niggas. So I just started eating wings like 4 weeks ago. So I've been eating wings like every day. But usually I get like some cookies, some Preme Girl Scout cookies because it's that season, or like a cereal bar.
What flavor wings?
I'm right now literally just have wings for the first time, so I'm just trying out new flavors. Like I recently had mild honey like 3 days ago, and I was like, it changed my life. It's so succulent. Honey and mild wings are so crazy. There's so many flavors out there I gotta experience. I'm fresh to the wing world. I'm 23 years late. I'm 24 years late to the wing world. But I'm getting caught up quick. So I'm listening to this song with you and Sean, right? I mean with you and Sada, right? I'm listening to your song with you and Sada, right?
Oh yeah.
So I gotta just ask you about the bar you just said. He said, yeah, just drop it. Yeah, I'm just play it, man. That's what you tell me with this beat.
How to suck dick. Level up, put the game on story mode. Niggas just a fake me, they a warrior. She asked what I'm trying to do, what you already know. Gotta tapping out like Morse code. Can't teach a old dog new tricks, but I can teach a old bitch how to suck dick.
Now, what that mean, bro? That sounds crazy.
Yeah, I can teach it because you can't teach an old dog tricks. Like, it's an old dog, but nigga, I can teach an old bitch how to suck. I can teach any bitch, even an old bitch, how to suck dick.
Whoa! Yo, that sounds crazy, though. Yo, that sound like a little crazy.
But it's not. You're not saying. He's saying I can teach that.
Like if you think about how that shit sounds.
All right, last question. If you can tell your fans one thing, and that's the last thing they ever heard from you, what would it be?
You don't eat chicken wings when you start eating chicken wings. On God, which is crazy. Like I'm telling you, if you think you're not missing out, I'm telling you, you're missing the fuck out on the chicken wings. Honey miles to be specific. Get them.